Welcome to this video on Neuroakashic Light. This technology is designed to help reconnect your consciousness through a unique synthesis of light, codes, and crystals. Neuroakashic Light is a patent-pending quantum technology for health, wellness, and conscious expansion. It supports the creation of crystal cities, intelligent communities dedicated to human and planetary well-being. By uniting light, neuroakashic codes, and crystals, this system activates a new level of consciousness and prosperity. It is a quantum approach to reprogramming your neural network. The Neuroakashic vision is a new science of conscious prosperity. It integrates intelligent quantum light, specific codes, and crystals to create an information field that reorganizes biology and consciousness. The principle of light here is that light is information. When intentionally encoded, it ceases to be just physical and becomes conscious quantum information that communicates directly with your neurons. The Neuroakashic codes act as electrical engineering for the brain's field. They are designed to reorganize neural circuits and reconnect dormant synapses using information from the universal quantum field. Through the process of energetic transduction, LED light is transformed into a conscious light. This rewires the mind and body, moving you toward greater vibrational coherence. Inside the vibrational capsule, light is amplified through crystals, while codes reorganize neuronal patterns. The 7 colors of the spectrum work to maintain quantum coherence throughout this system. Your brain is a web of light. This technology works to reactivate dormant pathways, restoring the flow of cerebral and emotional energy to improve clarity and creative power. This process provides a deep vibrational activation. By pulsing light at the cellular level, it helps neutralize stress and creates an expanded state of consciousness. As neural networks vibrate in coherence, the system activates the frequency of conscious abundance, helping you tune into your true purpose. This science provides a bridge between technology and consciousness. Key components include carrier energy, frequency modulating crystals, and neural engineering codes managed by a central controller. The global vision of this project is to build a network of light through crystal cities, where technology and nature coexist for the betterment of planetary consciousness. Real transformations are happening. Users report mental expansion, improved sleep, and a deeper sense of presence in their own professional and therapeutic practices. If you feel the call, you are invited to join our International Ambassador Program and help bring this new vibrational science to the world. This final activation represents the core of the Neuroakashic journey. As you embrace this consciousness, you become light, expanding your potential and integrating these high frequencies into your daily life. We have reached the end of our exploration. Thank you for joining this movement of expansion and prosperity, and for choosing to participate in the evolution of human consciousness through our quantum technology. To learn more or to explore our offerings, please scan this code. It will guide you to all the resources available for your continued development. Thank you for being part of this vision. You are the frequency that transforms the world.